Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb-bang wireless Bluetooth headphones with mic. The device, as you can see before you, comes with 5.0 Bluetooth support, aux support as well, offering call functions, volume control, up to 20 hours of playback with a foldable design. You have integrated voice assistant support, adjustable headbands, a rechargeable battery with 1.5 hours of charging time and playback time of 20 hours. The device itself has a sensitivity of 113 decibels and a range of up to 10 meters without obstacles. Let's get straight into the unboxing. You have the user manual for the zeb-bang, and you have the micro USB charging cable. The device itself is, you can see, wireless with a foldable design that is compact and easy to store and carry. On the device, you have aux support at the bottom, microphone pickup, audio pickup, the charging port for micro USB connection, volume controls, as well as toggle for call receiving and call drop. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.